We have been abandoned by the federal government, and COVID-19 numbers are skyrocketing across the nation, with over 1 million new cases per week. We have been abandoned by the state legislative leadership, who failed to meet even once to take action on this pandemic.
Madison Mayor Satya Rhodes Conway today urging leadership to do more. The last legislative action taken on COVID-19 was back in April. Assembly Speaker Robin Vos shared a different message this afternoon at the Capitol.
The fight against COVID is not partisan, and it is something that we want to make sure we continue to engage in a thoughtful process where both the legislature and the executive have an opportunity to put ideas forward.
We have team coverage tonight looking at how state and local leaders are handling this surge in COVID cases just before the holiday season. Gabriela Becerra has details about a new Dane County order banning indoor gatherings.
But we start with Amy Reed as the governor and Assembly Republicans each present pandemic response plans. She is live now at the Capitol. Amy?
Well, once again, the governor and the legislature seem to be on different pages. The governor released a bill that largely extends provisions from the original coronavirus response legislation through 2021. While today, the Speaker of the Assembly gave a list of ideas saying he wants to work on something with Evers. After 7 months with essentially no action, Assembly Speaker Robin Vos and other Republicans came to the table with ideas.
We did not draft a bill. We do not have specific drafted proposals because our intention was to sit down with the governor and actually talk about our ideas, putting a bill together as a whole.
The concepts he laid out included doubling contact tracing, extending the National Guard's help with testing, and creating a pilot program for rapid at-home testing. He also said he wants more resources for hospitals and aid for businesses, hoping to use federal money before state dollars. Though CARES Act money expires at the end of the year, Vos is confident Congress will pass more relief.
It's not necessarily just an open checkbook, but certainly the access to resources to guarantee that we're going to have contact tracing, testing, and hopefully help for small business.
The bill Governor Evers sent to Vos tackles issues covered in legislation passed earlier this year, extending provisions through the end of 2021. It includes waiving the 1-week waiting period for unemployment, ensuring COVID testing and treatment and telehealth are all covered by insurance, and waiving student testing requirements for this school year. Vos said he hopes to meet this week to start negotiations.
We want to find ways to work together with Governor Evers. We think that some of his ideas are certainly workable, some are not, but I think that's the point of negotiations.
Vos wouldn't give many specifics on what he likes and what he doesn't in Evers' plan. He said he's willing to talk and pass something as soon as possible, as early as December. Now, Gabriela Becerra has more on the new public health order in Dane County.